everybody, Bumblebee Cat here. Welcome back to another drawing video. Today I will be doing a DIY how-to on how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus. Now if you've watched my shorts, then you would know that I've already started drawing a lot of the characters. It's like drawing every character from the Amazing Digital Circus. That series hasn't ended. I will continue that, but this is just something else that I want to do. I don't want to devote my work on that short series only. Anyway, let's get started! Okay, first, so I'm going to start with the sketch, and you're going to start drawing her torso. It should look exactly like this, and then we're going to draw her leg. Pomni is like a kind of a more cartoonish character rather than anime, so drawing like skinny legs is kind of going out of my comfort zone. Also, 3 fingers. Also out of my comfort zone. That feels wrong to me. I don't know if anyone else feels that way, but I kind of do. Anyway, let's draw the rest of the body. And now, to finish the sketch, let's add her rounded head with her very round, circular eyes. Wow, I never thought I would be drawing something like that, but here we are. Also, I wasn't really sure how to draw the mouth, but I ended up coming up with something, which is good. Also, I should have looked up a reference photo, because I got a few things incorrect, like the wrong number of balls on her chest, and I drew the collar incorrectly, but, I mean, it's fine. It's still Pomni, like, right, guys? Right? Alright, so I'm not going to do the blue sketch today, and I'm just gonna go right into the outline. Right! I'll get back to the video in just a second, but this is very important. I was looking at YouTube Studio the other day and noticed that 97.8% of you guys are not subscribed. What? I raised a better community than this. So if you like what I do, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It really helps. All right, that's all. Back to the video. All right, so for the outline, you just trace in your sketch with ink on a new layer, which shouldn't take that long. Everything in. So the first colors we're going to use are red and blue, and then we're going to use some yellow, and then brown, and then white to color in her skin. And then just add some shadows. The shadows are really easy. You just go over and add some lines, but as in a darker color. Really easy. Whoever says it's difficult is a liar. And to finish it off, just add her bright red cheeks and some highlights to her eyes. If you want to get fancy, you can use chromatic aberration and put it on blur to make a cool effect. And now to add a cool background, we can draw a bunch of eyes, like, you know, Kaufmo when he abstracted. And now this is the final result. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't, you might never see another one of my videos ever again. See you next time!